Mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'I yokabaire omowaziri omokoro nabo igore neganga yogochakoria ekerogo kia Abarai bwense aiga Kenya niganyare koba kagwesokia na kurukoboria gochiase abananchi nabo igo Abarai bari bachorrense yobomo bwazimio anemone kiama kirigia ODM ikyo Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga arekora banyare koba bakoenekia buna nkobeka bare mirobero yogotigara amo erio koenekia buna nkobwatoka bara Amasikani gochiase omosike Raila Odinga nigarenge koya kwanaiga kerekerana ase omoiga bwe kanisa ya moyegi Adventista Milimani ase omoche Boyugis county ya Homa Bay.
Of course, many of you know he's a Seventh-day Adventist.
Even in our wildest imaginations, thought that we would come to this point, that we are talking about Mzee, our leader, in the manner in which we are talking about him now. But as believers and as people of faith, you know this. And I love, Pastor, and what you have talked to us today, that when we come to tough times such as this, let us keep hope and know that the Lord is present even in tough times like this. For us, those who worked with Mzee, the leaders are here who have worked with him. Janet is here, who was practically raised by Mzee. We pray that the Lord strengthens our leaders who have remained behind, so we can continue the journey of this life in the manner in which Mzee wanted. So during this morning weekend, we also are saying Pole and bringing our condolences to us here as family, to the people of the Nyanza region generally, and we pray. I want to plead with you, my brothers and sisters, that we hold special prayers for Mama Ida and the family, that the Lord comforts them, keeps them together during this tough time. The second group I would like us to pray for are the elected leaders of this region. Very fortunately and blessedly, Mzee Baba grew up strong leaders. All our 6 governors in this region were elected on the Azimio ticket. Some of them are very solid and consummate politicians and leaders. Professor Nyongo, Governor Orengo, your own governor here, my sister Gladys Wanga, and all these people. The senators who are here, the 6 senators from this region, including Senator Nyonka who's here, and your own senator here, Kajwang. Again, group of leaders that Mzee has mentored. For someone who worked so hard to grow leaders, such as Baba did, it will be unspeakable shame if all these wonderful people are not able to come together and move this region forward. I have no doubt in my mind. I have faith and I trust the Lord will strengthen the hands of these brothers and sisters in elective positions, all of them, all our governors, all our senators, all our members of parliament, all our women reps in this region, and all our members of parliament, so that as a great tribute and honor to Baba, they stick together